Hey everyone, Jason Case here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and track conversions in Facebook. So when you're running Facebook advertising campaigns, you have different objectives that you can choose from, and conversions is one of them. However, when you choose conversions, you have to set this up differently, and you have to modify your pixel script to be able to trigger these conversions. And if you don't do this correctly, then the conversions won't show in Facebook, and it could be costing you a lot more because Facebook doesn't think your audience is right for this because you're not getting any conversions from that. So I'm going to show you how to get this set up. It's pretty easy to do, and what we're going to do is use Google Tag Manager to update this pixel script. You can do this on your website as well if you know how to add that to your head tags. So either way, I'm going to show my screen and show you exactly how to get this done. So inside Facebook, when you create a campaign, this is where you can choose your objectives. So over here under conversion, this is where you can select the conversions that you want to track. So we can track conversion right here and continue. And then you would select the type of conversion that you want. So these are all the different types of standard event conversions that you can track. So for example, if you wanted to track somebody that made a purchase, then you would add the script to the thank you page once somebody makes that purchase, and then that would trigger the conversion and pass that back to Facebook. So it showed in your Ads Manager account that you made that conversion, and you can optimize your campaigns for these conversions. Same thing with lead. Maybe you're optimizing to try to get a lead from a lead magnet that you have. Well, same thing on the thank you page. You'll want to set this up to trigger this conversion. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you an example of how to do this for the lead conversion. So over here in Google Tag Manager, we'll want to say new tag, and what we're going to do is, let's just say, call this Facebook lead gen pixel. Okay, and tag configuration, click on that and go to custom HTML. This is where you're going to add your Facebook pixel. So I'm going to show you your standard. This is what a standard Facebook pixel would look like, but this page here where you're adding these specific event codes. So for example, lead, this is the event code that we want to add for lead. That needs to be added right at the bottom here, beneath page view. So you add that right there. I got extra space in there. That out. That's where you add it. And what we're going to do is figure out where we want this to be triggered. So maybe you want this to be triggered on a thank you page. So I'm going to add something unique here, specific for this thank you page. And it's going to be page view, and not all pages, only some pages. So we'll do this page URL contains, we could have equals here, and whatever that URL is. So for example, example.com/thank you, your thank you page that you want that lead trigger to be. So if you have the same thank you page for purchase pages and lead conversion pages that you redirect people to, then you'll want to set up different thank you pages for your purchases versus leads, because you want different triggers to happen on this. You don't want your purchase trigger to be happening on a lead conversion, you know. So make sure you have different thank you pages for those specific things. Now, if it's just a lead conversion and you have multiple different lead magnets, that's fine. You can redirect them to that same thank you page because it's the same conversion that you're trying to track. So either way, we'll call this lead thank you page and save. So see right here, that's the trigger that makes that happen. And you just save that, and you would publish those changes. And that's it. That's as easy as that to get that set up. Now, you'll want to make sure that you exclude those thank you pages from your standard Facebook script so you don't have 2 pixels on that page. So just make sure that you only have 1 pixel code on each page. So either way, if you have any questions on this or need help getting this set up, feel free to reach out. This is what we do. That way you can stay focused on running your business, and we do what we do best, and that's help grow your business. Take care, everyone, and we'll talk tomorrow.